In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to download it on any PC laptop. So let's not waste any time. Is you want to go ahead and click on the browser, then click on the search bar and you want to type out Steam. Once you go ahead and you type out Steam, all you want to simply do is click on the first link. Simply click on install Steam. Install Steam. Click on this blue button just here which will be install Steam and will simply download Steam. All you now want to simply do is you want to follow each and every step that I do. So go ahead and click on the search bar. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and type out RAFT. Once you go ahead and you type out RAFT, all you now want to do is you want to go ahead, click on it. As you can see, this is the game, so just follow each and every step to get the game. What you now want to do is go ahead and click on the add to cart. Then you want to click on view my cart. Then you want to click on continue payment. Now what you want to do is you want to fill out all these details. Then you want to click on agree to all Steam terms and conditions. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.